Everything you know about ChatGPT is about to become obsolete. OpenAI just gave ChatGPT the ability to think and act on its own. I'm not talking about just answering your questions anymore. I'm talking about an AI that can schedule your meetings, manage your emails, track your deadlines, and even take action while you sleep. This massive update is something called agentic AI. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to use these new features before everyone else catches on. And trust me, it's about to revolutionize how we work, live, and interact with technology. What is agentic AI? Okay, let's break this down in simple terms that actually make sense. You know how ChatGPT usually just sits there waiting for you to type something? Well, that's old news now. Agentic AI is like giving ChatGPT a brain upgrade. Imagine having a super smart personal assistant who doesn't just answer questions, but actually gets stuff done for you. Think of intelligence on a spectrum, like the different stages of AI. At one end, you've got your basic calculators and traditional AI that just follow rules. In the middle, there is generative AI like the ChatGPT we all know, which can create content but still just responds to what you ask. But now, we are entering a whole new level with agentic AI. This is an AI that can understand what you need, make decisions, and take action all on its own. The crazy part? It works through 4 main superpowers. The first one is, it can understand what's happening around it, basically perception. Secondly, it can think through problems like humans, which we call reasoning. Then it can take actions on its own and also learn from experience just like we do. This isn't just another upgrade, it's a fundamental shift in how AI works. The game-changing features that just dropped. Let me show you exactly what this means in real life. OpenAI just released something called Tasks, and it's absolutely insane. This is their first step into agentic AI, and it's available right now for ChatGPT Plus, Teams, and Pro users. Here's what it can do. Imagine waking up to a perfectly curated news briefing about topics you care about. Want daily weather updates? Done. Need someone to remind you when those concert tickets go on sale? ChatGPT's got you covered. But then it gets really wild. It doesn't just do what you tell it to, it can actually suggest tasks based on your conversations. Let's say you're chatting about a project, ChatGPT might offer to set up regular progress reminders. Or if you mention wanting to stay informed about AI news, it could suggest setting up daily summaries. It's like having an assistant who actually thinks ahead and anticipates what you need. Setting up your AI assistant like a pro. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds complicated, but trust me, it's ridiculously easy to get started. Let me walk you through exactly how to set this up step by step. First things first, you'll need to enable tasks in ChatGPT. Just log into your account. You can do this through your browser, the desktop app if you're on Mac, or the mobile app. Click on your profile drop-down menu, head to settings, then look for beta features. You'll see a tasks toggle there, flip that on and you're ready. Now, once tasks is enabled, you've got access to what I like to call your AI command center, the tasks manager. You can find this right in your profile drop-down menu on the web page. This is where all the magic happens. You can view, edit, or delete any tasks you've set up. Let me show you how to create your first task. Look for the drop-down menu and select Go with Schedule Tasks. Now you can type in literally anything you want ChatGPT to do for you. For example, you can say, send me a daily news summary at 8 a.m. or remind me to take a break every 2 hours. ChatGPT will confirm all the details with you, such as timing, how often you want it to happen, what exactly you want it to do, and then you just hit confirm to schedule it. And it doesn't stop here. ChatGPT actually gets smarter the more you use it. If it notices you're always asking about the weather, it might say something like, hey, want me to just send you daily weather updates at 7 a.m.? This is the special ability agentic AIs have. They make decisions based on their knowledge that they're constantly learning while you're away. And based on that knowledge, they can provide suggestions. You can approve or dismiss these suggestions right from the interface. For notifications, you've got options. You'll get push notifications on your desktop or mobile app, and you can even set up email notifications if that's more your style. Let me give you some ideas to get started because this is where people really level up their productivity. If I want to set up daily affirmations, I'll just ask, send me a motivational quote at 7 a.m. Got kids? Have it send you a knock-knock joke every evening at 6 p.m. for bedtime. For work, you could have it remind you to check emails at specific times or send you a summary of your meetings for the day. And for you power users out there, here are some pro tips. You can integrate this with other tools like Zapier to connect it with your calendar or project management software. And here's my favorite tip. Let ChatGPT analyze your habits and suggest tasks you hadn't even thought of, like meal planning or budget tracking. Trust me, once you start setting these up, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Just start simple and then build up as you get comfortable with it. Real-world applications that will blow your mind. But that brings us to a more important question. How far can this agentic AI really go? Well, I'm going to show you some use cases that are going to make you rethink everything you're doing right now. For business professionals, imagine having an AI that automatically compiles market research, sends you competitor updates, and even drafts initial responses to routine emails. For developers, it can monitor your code repositories, alert you about potential issues, and even suggest optimizations. Students? This is a game changer. Imagine having an AI that creates study schedules, sends you topic summaries before exams, and even helps track assignment deadlines. Parents can use it to get daily activity ideas for kids, schedule reminders for events, and even get personalized bedtime stories. And for creative professionals, you could have ChatGPT tracking industry trends, suggesting content ideas, and even helping manage your social media calendar. The possibilities are literally endless. The technology behind the magic. Now, I know some of you are wondering how this actually works under the hood. According to OpenAI's internal documents, they've got this 5-stage plan for AI development. Right now, we're entering stage 3, agents, systems that can take actions. This is huge because it's moving us closer to what they call AGI, Artificial General Intelligence. Think about it this way, current AI is like having a really smart calculator. But agentic AI, that's like having a whole team of assistants who understand context, can make decisions, and take action on their own. And the crazy part? This is just the beginning. Sam Altman, OpenAI's CEO, said 2025 is when agents will work, and we're watching it happen right before our eyes. Privacy and security, what you need to know. But let's talk about something serious for a minute. Privacy and security. I know some of you are probably thinking, isn't it kind of scary to have an AI doing things for me? That's a valid concern, and OpenAI has thought about this too. First off, all the task data is handled with the same security standards as regular ChatGPT conversations. They've specifically confirmed that data from these interactions won't be used for model training, and plus, you're always in control. You can review, edit, or delete any task at any time. But here's my advice. Start small, try it with non-sensitive tasks first, get comfortable with how it works, and then gradually expand how you use it. Remember, this is a tool to make your life easier, not to take over completely. The future is already here. What we are seeing right now is just the tip of the iceberg. OpenAI is already working on something called Operator, which is going to take these capabilities even further. Basically, an AI that can browse the web for you, write code, and even message you first when it spots something important. We'll cover it up in our upcoming videos, so make sure to stay updated by subscribing. But think about how this could change everything, from how we work to how we manage our daily lives. The people who learn to leverage these tools effectively are going to have a massive advantage in both their personal and professional lives. This technology is moving fast, and those who adapt quickly are going to be way ahead of the curve. Don't just watch from the sidelines, get in there and start experimenting with these features. Try setting up some basic tasks, play around with the suggestions, and see how it can fit into your workflow. And hey, drop a comment below letting me know what's the first thing you'll try with ChatGPT's new abilities. This is just the beginning of the agentic AI revolution, and I'll be here to keep you updated every step of the way. Thanks for watching.